I've got a 2012 Ford F-150 here. The door lock is extremely stiff, which is blowing the fuses. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out and see if I can figure out what's wrong. If not, I'll just replace it. Here you have two 10mm bolts holding this little piece of window track in. You got to get out of the way. These are 27mm. And then there is, let's see if I can get this in frame. There's that red clip needs popped off to get that that rod free. This yellow clip right here needs popped because this will slide out with it, so we can get to that. Okay, and I forgot there is, let's see if I can show it here. Alright. Okay, there is one more. This needs popped out. You can see this one right here needs popped out of these tabs. Okay, now that that's out of there, we're going to want to pop this tab, pop this connector here, and then we got to pop this apart to take this cable out. Okay, so there's that. So now I just have to put the new one in.